Welcome to Clean Shoes. In this episode, I will show you how to create a real mirror shine on the toes of leather formal shoes. As I mentioned, it is not challenging, the crucial aspects are two. It is high quality products and most importantly, it is patience. You can definitely use this large wax from Famaco. You can certainly use its shinier version High Gloss. And last but not least, you can also use Amiral Gloss from Saphir. There is no nourishment in it any longer, it is purely a polish. What will we require for that? We will definitely require that preparation, we will definitely require some cotton cloth, ideally as clean as possible, and as always we will need nitrile gloves. The wax is always applied where the leather does not bend. It is for this reason that those hard waxes could accentuate wrinkles on the leather where the shoe bends during walking. What will we actually be trying to do? We will try to fill the pores of the shoe leather with wax or a polishing product, in this case a polish, so that a uniform, cohesive, compact layer of wax. So take a clean cotton cloth, put 2 fingers into it like this, grip it, twist it, hold it in your palm like this, and you have this polishing surface. And then there's nothing stopping you from starting to apply the wax. Here, we won't be guided by moderation. There will be a large number of these layers. You might encounter the need to apply 6 to 8 layers. You may come across 15 layers, but you may also come across 30 layers of wax during your encounter. So you don't have to be sparing with each layer. It doesn't have to be completely packed, don't apply too much. However, it's akin to waxing the shoe, just that you're doing it repeatedly. Thus, I apply one in this manner. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and subsequent ones, and you will continue in a similar fashion following this pattern. The sequence will extend indefinitely, and you should proceed accordingly, maintaining the same progression. In the periods between applying each layer, simply wait for a few seconds and continue in this manner all around the object. Ensure that you do not skip any areas and try to get as close as possible to the heel. Focus on the tip in this region, specifically on that round part, and apply one layer after another in a circular motion. After the wax dries on us, just like creams or standard waxes do, it kind of clouds, dulls, and will look something like this. One trick to speed up the polishing a bit is isopropyl alcohol. And I will make use of my secret weapon, which are these cotton pads that I have. This is the cotton pad. I will dip it in water to moisten before using it for cleaning purposes. I have 75% of the volume of copper. I will straighten that wheel again. And I have a beautiful water shine. I am curious about how I will translate this water shine. Creating a mirror shine takes some time. As I mentioned, it requires a certain level of patience. It is not rocket science, it is just shoe shining. So just like I applied, I proceed in the same manner, circular motion, not skipping any areas, and moving forward without hesitation or delay. Polishing that initial thick layer from that strongly matte appearance into a more basic shine might take a while to achieve. If you're struggling with it, take some isopropyl alcohol and add a little bit more. I'm not saying to soak it completely, but when you spray it like this, it will be just the right amount. And here we are getting to some basic shine. I'll tap a bit on that wax. It's no longer about scooping, it's more about a touch. Just this little bit is completely enough. I am going to spread it all over the tip, and at this moment I am going to count to 10. I will polish it and repeat the entire process. I will apply a little bit more. I will distribute it evenly on the toe, count to 10, allow the solvents to evaporate, and then proceed to polish the surface. You will need to repeat this process multiple times until it shines to your liking. I will apply a small amount of product and spread it evenly and gently across the surface. I don't have to rush it at all, there's no need to do it quickly, the cotton pad is still soaked. If it appeared somewhat dry and you didn't observe any droplets, you have the option to moisten it with water, as it will be able to absorb it. And you can calmly, slowly, and completely polish one layer after another in a completely complete manner like this. You keep repeating the same activity, very relaxing. I will try to show it as closely as possible. The main emphasis has shifted from dissolving the wax to applying a gentle touch. The shot captures intricate details, showcasing the lightness of the process. It is no longer solely about wax dissolving, but rather the delicate and precise technique. The focus lies in the subtle touch and meticulous application, evident in the shot with clarity and detail. And this is how I work on layer after layer, count to 10 and then polish once more. I tap, polish for 10 seconds and shine. There is so much valuable information in today's episode on achieving a mirror shine. It is important to be patient and do it carefully, as you can't afford to fail.